Hello, welcome to our States of Matter activities. These are the activities that are connected to your science lesson this week. For this activity at home, you are going to need a yes card and a no card to participate with your parents. Hopefully you have an adult or a guardian with you that can help you participate in these activities. Here's how it's going to work. We are going to do 3 separate worksheets, one on solids, one on liquids, and one on gases. I am going to ask you if an object is a solid, and you say yes or no. I'll ask you if it's a liquid. You say yes or no. I'll ask you if it's a gas. You say yes or no. Participate to the best of your ability at home and feel free if you need to pause this video between my questions to give your student a chance to answer. All right, let's get started. First, we are going to do our worksheet on gas. Let's start up here. What is a gas? A gas has no shape or size. Circle all the gases. All right, let's go through each of these pictures and decide, is this a gas? All right, let's start with a glove. Is this glove a gas? Yes or no? No. This circle with a cross through it means no, it is not a gas. I hope you said no. Next, we have a hamburger. Is this hamburger a gas? Yes or no? Let's see. No, this hamburger is not a gas. Let's move on to the next one. Next is rain. Is rain a gas? Yes or no? Hmm, rain is not a gas. I wonder why this one is circled. I know, because rain is not a gas, but clouds are a gas. Did you know that? Clouds are a gas. That must be why this one is circled. Let's go on to the next one. Air. Is air a gas? Yes or no? Yes, that big red circle means that air is a gas. The air around us has no shape or size. Air is a gas. Great job. All right, let's see which one is next. I think crowns is going to be next. Are these crowns a gas? Yes or no? I think I can make it look like I'm wearing one. Oh, I sure can. Is this crown a gas? Yes or no? No, that crown is not a gas. All right, next we are moving to fruit punch. Is fruit punch a gas? Yes or no? No, fruit punch is not a gas. Fruit punch is a liquid. Great job. Let's see. We have a duck and a bag. Hmm. Is the bag a gas? Yes or no? What do you think? Is the bag a gas? No, the bag is not a gas. What about smoke? See the smoke coming out of the chimney? Is smoke a gas? Yes or no? Yes, smoke is a gas. Great job. Let's move on to nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts. Are they a gas? Yes or no? Hmm. Are nuts and bolts a gas? No, nuts and bolts are not a gas. Great job. Now we are moving on to steam. When you heat up water, the H2O turns from water to steam. Is steam a gas? Yes or no? Hmm, What do you think? Yes, steam is a gas. Great job. We have one more thing. What is this duck? Is he a solid? Is he a liquid? Is he a gas? Is this duck a gas? Yes or no? What do you think? No, this duck is not a gas. So now we have some great examples of different gases. We have air, rain, smoke, and steam. Great job completing your gas exercise. Now we are going to move on to our solid exercise. First, let's talk about what is a solid. What is a solid? A solid has a certain size and shape. Can we circle the objects that are solids? Can you help me circle the objects that are solids? Let's see. How about an ice cube? Is an ice cube a solid? Yes or no? Yes, that red circle means that an ice cube is a solid. Great job. How about a helmet? Is a helmet a solid? Yes or no? Yes, a helmet is a solid. It has a certain size and shape. What about coconut juice? Is coconut juice a solid? Yes or no? No, coconut juice is not a solid. The coconut itself is a solid. The coconut has a certain size or shape. But when you take the coconut juice out of the coconut, it is a liquid and it can take the shape of any container it is in. Next, we have carrots. Are carrots a solid? Yes or no? Yes, carrots are a solid. Great job. How about a bird's nest? Is a bird's nest a solid? Yes or no? Yes, a bird's nest is a solid. Great job. How about smoke? Is smoke a solid? Yes or no? No, smoke is not a solid. The car is a solid, but smoke is not a solid. Great job. What about flowers? Are flowers a solid? Yes or no? Yes, that red circle means that flowers are a solid. Great job. How about this cup of tea? Not the cup, but the tea itself. Is the tea a solid? Yes or no? No, tea is a liquid. The cup it is a solid. The steam coming out of the tea is a gas, but the tea itself is a liquid. Great job. What about paint? Is paint a solid? Yes or no? No, paint is not a solid. The paint itself is a liquid. Here's our last one. Books. Are books a solid? Yes or no? Yes, books are a solid. Great job finishing your solids exercise. Now we are going to do our liquid activity. What is a liquid? Liquids change shape depending on their container. Let's circle all the liquids together. Let's start with tears. Are tears a liquid? Yes or no? Yes, that big red circle means that tears are a liquid. They can take the shape of any container. So if you were to cry a whole bunch of tears into a cup, they would take the shape of the cup. Next, we have soda. Is soda a liquid? Yes or no? Yes, soda is a liquid. Great job. All right, next we have watercolor. Is watercolor a liquid? Yes or no? Yes, watercolor is a liquid. Great job. Next we have mushrooms. Are mushrooms a liquid? Yes or no? It's telling us chicken isn't a liquid, but we already know chicken isn't a liquid. Hmm, I wonder if it's going to this next row. I wonder, are birds a liquid? I wonder if birds will be next. Let's see. Do you think birds are a liquid? Yes or no? No, birds are not a liquid. All right, let's go to mushrooms. I think it's time for mushrooms. Do you remember, are mushrooms a liquid? Yes or no? No, mushrooms are not a liquid. Great job. Next, we have milk. Is milk a liquid? Yes or no? Yes, milk is a liquid. It can take the shape of any container. How about honey? Is honey a liquid? Yes or no? Yes, honey is a liquid. It can take the shape of its container. What about mountains? Are mountains a liquid? Yes or no? No, mountains are not a liquid. Our last one, sand. Is sand a liquid? Yes or no? No, sand is not a liquid. Now you might be saying to yourself, but Miss Bo, sand can take the shape of its container. And that is true. Sand is an exception. Sand, dirt, these are all examples of solids that are very finely ground. So you will learn next week about changing the composition, changing matter. So you can change a liquid to a solid. You can change a solid to a liquid. You can change a liquid to a gas, right? These are all changes, and you can do those changes through physical change or chemical change. Now, this is an example of a physical change. So this solid is still a solid. Do you remember during our story where the aluminum can was broken up into smaller pieces, but it was still an aluminum can, so it was still a solid. So in theory, if you have a solid that you can break up into small enough pieces, like a mushroom, it could take the shape of its container, but it doesn't do so with ease, like milk or honey, without changing its composition. I know that's a higher level thought. All right, thank you so much for doing this activity. I'll see you next time.